Hi, my name is Tomas Dorta from Design Research Laboratory Hybrid Lab at the University of Montreal. Here I am to present a work we did with Abdelmounem that we call From Immersive to Physical Sketches, a new 3D representation mode during ideation. Our proposal is going from this kind of immersive 3D sketches that could be done in a VR system and printing these sketches physically. So as we can see in the video, we are doing all this automatically without the need of using 3D modeling techniques. What is the problem? During during current ideation process, the designer used different kind of representation to ideate, to reflect to the design problem. And the designer used 2D sketches, then 3D modeling, then the fabrication. So they have to require to master the perspective in order to sketch in 2D. Then they have to master the 3D modeling techniques to achieve a waterproof 3D object that could be printed. So translating 3D object from perspective to digital 3D model is challenging. In virtual reality, we can sketch immersively in the air, in the case of Gravity Sketch. And this is very, very relevant for ideation because it's spontaneous and rapid and dynamic. We are doing all this without the need of mastery the perspective. So the issue here is that the user is not filling the sketches, and on the other hand, the sketches are drawn with 3D pipes, not with lines. We select our system Hive 3D to immersively sketch because the sketches are polyline that are done with tablet through that control a virtual canvas that could be placed in different positions and 6 degrees of freedom. These 3D sketches are made from orthogonal views. So the designer are sketching 2D sketches that becomes 3D. They can feel the sketches through the pen on tablet because they're using the pen like this. And again, without the need of mastering the perspective. So how we do this? So from our project, we start doing a mass structure for better breathing during the pandemic. We scan a 3D face in Hive, and then we sketch 3D vectors like this. Then the first step is to using a grasshopper definition, we optimize the 3D vectors. The second step, we convert the 3D vector in solid closed mesh in solid pipes. Then the third step, we generate the G code by slicing the model so to be communicating with the 3D printer. Finally, so we can get the mass structure 3D print life size for validation of the scale and proportions. So in conclusion, so we achieved to print a wireframe object to explore 3D volumes that is very different from solid mockups. So we can use even fabric and cardboard to also explore all other design ideas. So we find out that to draw these 3D shapes and make them physical without the need of 3D printed requirements. So to mastering the waterproof or to 3D model with a lot of accuracy. And then So we realized that pipes are not good for are good for printing, but not for 3D sketching. So the way we are designing is more relevant with lines that with pipes. And for future work, we are exploring to use a robot arm with a large format extruder to avoid some assembly and to be getting life-size object. Here we can see only a part of the car, and we would like to analyze the impact of this new ideation representation mode, the 3D printed sketch. Thank you very much.